So now we're going to take it to the next level and go kaboom, booyah. I can't help but get excited because there's been some work getting here. Kaboom, booyah. That's what this code's called. This is like the good stuff. This is where we left off, right? Ready? Init. Ooh, that's ringing some bells. And let's see, how did it go? I need a variable TPL, which is a pointer from package template of type template. And I'm going to have a TPL is equal to from package template must, which means do or die in this initial setup. And I got multiple choices there. So what is it? Control enter? No. Is it? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. There we go. There we go. Template must, do or die. And then we're going to do template.parseGlob. And we're going to pass in a string, and it's going to be a pattern. And it's going to be boom, boom, templates / boom dot go HTML. And then I'm going to create a folder here. Boom. Ah, woo! I'm trying to keep it interesting. And then new, and put it in file, and do home.go HTML. Usually it's called default or index. We'll go with default.go HTML. And hello from default. Sweet. And then we need a new file. And this one's going to be about.go HTML. Hello from about. And then we need a new file. And this one's going to be contact.go HTML. And we go hello from contact. And then down here, oh yeah. We're going to do tpl.execute template. And what's execute template ask for? First argument. What's it want? It wants a writer. Boom. Write it to the response. Elegant. Built by geniuses. Holy cow. That's some fine engineering. Woo yeah. You boys know how to do good engineering. Probably a lot of really good female engineers. You gals knew that good engineering. Bunch of guys and gals up there built this. And then we write a string. The string is the template we want. I called this one default.go HTML. And data, nil. I'm not passing any data in. This one is going to be tpl.execute template to the response. And it's going to be, this one's about.go HTML. No data. This one's tpl.execute template. Writer, and it's a contact.go HTML. No data. And you're already like, oh, I know how to pass data into that. Right? This is 66. Kaboom, booyah. Well, that's not the one I wanted. What am I looking at? I'm at 67. I was running the other program. That's the one I want. Hello from contact. Hello from about. And hello from default. How many people are like, oh, I'm in business. right? Like now it's just like, okay, how do I connect MongoDB to that and put it on AWS? And guess what? This course here, right here, $19. 100,000 of you go buy this. Like I get to just focus on building these courses. So go buy this course so I could just build more stuff for you. But GitHub goes to 11. Golang Web Dev. MongoDB. AWS. Done. RDBMS too, relational database. So it's all there. You're in business. And you know where we are right now? So we are at this. Right there. And here's AWS. Here's MongoDB. And here's RDBMS. RDBMS and AWS. Like, you know, go straight SQL. Don't even worry about NoSQL, particularly if you're in my SQL class, Jasmine. That's it, man. That's tonight. That's all for tonight. You guys got awesome, amazing content. We're going to code this right here. You could start off with, I'll put these side by side. So you could start off with one and then move to the next, split vertically. Right? So that all's fitting actually perfect. Look at that. And I'll put my imports here. When you see those dots, it just means there's more stuff. I'm losing my voice, apparently. So we're going to code that right there for the rest of the night and just goof around with that. That's it. That's all you guys have to learn tonight. And just work it a couple of times, build it a couple of times, get it running, and enjoy it, love it, look at it, touch it, you know, kiss it, because it's like, this is a feat of engineering right here. This is the fastest web server in the universe, and you know how to build it now. I hope you had a good time.